Do you feel scared when you have to speak English? Not because you don't know English, but because you are afraid of making mistakes? Maybe you think people will laugh, my grammar is weak, my pronunciation is bad, so you stay quiet. Let me tell you something very important today. Fear is the problem, not grammar. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to speak English without fear, even if your grammar is weak. You don't need perfect English, you need a free mind. Many English learners believe first I will learn grammar, then I will speak. That time will never come. Have you ever seen a child? Do they learn grammar before they speak? First, they start to speak, and grammar comes automatically. Grammar comes after speaking, not before. So, if you're waiting for a perfect grammar, you will wait forever. Why we feel fear while speaking English? In my opinion, we have three factors. The main factors. There are so many factors for this fear while speaking English, but I consider these three are the main factors. The first one is fear of making mistakes. We think mistakes means a failure. Once we make a mistake, we will keep on thinking about that mistake for 1 week, 1 month. Some people will be recalling the memory of making mistakes for even months. But understand that mistakes are part of learning. You learn from a mistake and you change that. Second one is fear of judgment. We imagine people are watching us. Sometimes when people correct us, we think that people are taking it seriously and they will be thinking about it for so long. It's not going to happen. Most people are busy thinking about themselves. They don't have time to think about our mistakes and keep on telling us or keep on reminding us that you made a mistake. Have you corrected it? No, they are not going to do it. So stop that imagination of thinking about people will judge you. The third one is fear of sounding foolish. This fear is common, and this fear makes you to stop speaking. Sometimes the previous experience of people laughing at you for your pronunciation, for your English, will make you to stop speaking in English. I have gone through this situation not because people laughed at me, but because my own critic self told me, oh, your English sounds so bad, your pronunciation is not good, so don't talk. Usually it is a inner voice that tells you not to speak English because you're not good at it, your grammar is weak. You will sound foolish. But you know what? Being silent won't give you any progress, but practice does. So now, here is how to get rid of this fear. The first one is change your inner voice. So you are going to change how you talk to yourself about you. Many people say inside their mind that, oh, my English is bad, I'm not good, I'm not getting any progress, my grammar is weak. Well, others' English is better than me. These sentences create fear. Instead, talk to yourself like, I'm learning. It's okay to make mistakes. Every day I am improving. That's enough. Speak these sentences aloud. Your mind believes what you speak. Now say this sentence along with me. I allow myself to speak imperfect English. That's good. The second method is speak broken English on purpose. Here is something surprising. To speak English confidently, first you have to allow yourself to accept your broken English. Broken English is not bad English. It is considered as early English. You can speak very simple sentences. Maybe you are trying so hard to sound so good in English, so you are trying to use hard vocabularies. That's why you feel like you are not good enough. Maybe you can try to use simple sentences. For example, instead of saying, I was extremely exhausted today, you can say, I was tired today. Instead of saying, could you please elaborate on this topic, you can say, can you explain this? Simple English is powerful English. And also, I sometimes found myself in speaking English along with my mother tongue. It's like Tanglish. I speak Tamil, that is my native language, so I mingle Tamil words with English words We call it Tanglish. Sometimes whenever I come across a situation where I cannot find the English word, I use my native language there. And later you have to incorporate that word in your vocabulary box. And another one important rule to remember is the main goal here is our communication is not sounding so good in English. It is how you convey your message. If your message is clear, your English is good. The third one is use fear ladder. This is a practical method and I name it a fear ladder. When you climb on this ladder, when you reach the top, you will attain your fearless English speaking. I have 4 steps in this ladder. The first one, speak alone. Whenever you get a chance to be alone, try to speak in English in that time. There will be no pressure that people are watching or people are listening, so it builds your confidence. The second step is speak to the mirror. First, you are speaking alone. You were alone, you were speaking. The second, you are including your reflection, you and your image, and you both talk to each other. You are looking at yourself speaking to you. You see yourself speaking, so that increases confidence. The third step is record your voice. Now record your voice for 30 seconds, replay it, and observe how you sound. This step removes your fear slowly. Fourth step is speak to a safe person. Choose one person, the person who is so kind, who never judges in a cruel way, and they have to be a good listener. Choose a person like that and speak with them in English. So here are some steps what you do when you get stuck while speaking English. Sometimes your mind goes blank, that is normal, but you can avoid this by telling some sentences. They are, let me think for a second. I'm not sure how to say this. I'll try to explain this. So these sentences gives your brain a time to think. Even the native speakers use them in their conversation. Okay, be consistent in doing daily practices because fear reduces with consistency. Let me tell you this. You are not weak because you feel fear. You are human. Every confident speaker once was a fearful learner. The only difference is they spoke despite the fear. That's it for today. Keep on practicing. If this video helped you in any way, like this video, share this video with your friend who is trying to speak English. This is English with Gloria. I'll meet you with another video next week. Bye.